quality, reliability, value for money. All around the world, people who depend on their forklift trucks put their trust in Mitsubishi. We are part of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Limited, one of the world's largest corporations, leading the way in technologies where reliability makes the difference between success and failure, life and death. These achievements have made the name Mitsubishi a symbol of trust, a name that guarantees quality, reliability and value for money. Quality is designed into our trucks and our production methods, at every stage and in every location. You can choose from hundreds of models with thousands of options. Their unique advanced features have won many awards. Each is designed totally around your operator's needs for the ultimate in drivability. Each is hand-built to a very high specification, using the best materials and components, and quality control is vigorous. That's why you can trust every truck with the name Mitsubishi on it. Our reputation for reliability is legendary. We follow the Japanese philosophy of Kaizen, a continual monitoring and improvement of the entire production process, reinforced by continuous high-quality staff training. The results of this approach include reliable components, low-wear systems, built-in protection, and easy maintenance, which means fewer breakdowns and less need to replace parts. That's why you can trust a Mitsubishi truck to keep on working for you, night and day, year after year. With Mitsubishi, you get a lot more for your money. Every model is packed with advanced features as standard. A Mitsubishi truck will keep on saving you money for years to come, thanks to low energy use, low wear, long service intervals, and our comprehensive warranties. Costs and downtime are minimized, and second-hand values remain high. That's why you can trust Mitsubishi to make good business sense. Our dealer network covers the world, and because of our distinctive structure, there is always a friendly expert very close to you. We'll identify the best model for each of your applications, and whether you hire, lease or buy, we'll help you arrange the right finance package. If you need us, our factory-trained engineers will be there fast, supported by one of the most rapid parts supply operations in the industry. Independent research shows our dealer network is highly rated by customers, especially for quality of advice, responsiveness, and after-sales support. Only Mitsubishi can give you this combination of engineering excellence and superb local support. Only Mitsubishi offers you such quality products at such an affordable price. Only Mitsubishi places reliability as high in its priorities as you do. That's why our customers stay loyal, and why you'll never regret putting your trust in Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi forklift trucks, when reliability is everything.